Hello, Brooks. My name's Fatima.
My name's Regina.
And we do pranks, challenges, and Q&As.
And we just happen to be best friends.
So today we're going to be doing, as you can see, we changed our stuff because we're going to be doing something messy. We're going to be doing DIY slime. So what you'll need is Elmer's glue. Yeah, and I'll do detergent. I don't know which one, so we're just going to use both. You'll need a bowl, and a fork. Regina! So what we first have to do is unscrew the lid. Do not squirt it like this out of this, because that's going to take forever. So you just squirt it.
All of it?
Yeah, you squirt all of it.
Oh my god.
What happened?
There's a lot of glue.
Okay, so.
Oh my gosh.
All the way. Okay, so you got to squirt it. Squirt all
Let's hope this works.
Yeah. Squirt all of it out. Yeah.
Squirt it out. Squirt it out.
And sorry for the background, that's my brother. Don't say anything else, please. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Regina's over. So why are you doing? Be quiet. Okay. Squirt as much as you can, even if you feel like it's there's still more in it. So just squirt. Okay. So next you'll just like lightly mix it. So it should look like this when you squirt it out. Show them yours. Show them yours. Yeah. So just take the fork and you just mix. I just spilled a bunch of glue. I could have used that. Okay. So we'll be using this one. Why can't this one do one? No, because it doesn't work. You won't need as much. Just get a little bit. And if the glue is still sticky and you have to like use your hands, and if the glue is still sticky, then you will need a little bit more. So you just fill the cap up. Well, as you can see it right here. And then you do yours first. Just pour a little bit. Do not pour everything.
Pour a lot. Just pour a little bit.
Regina, that is not a little bit. Regina.
It'll work.
Yo, she did way too much.
Did I?
Regina, yes you did. No.
I'm gonna pour a little bit in there.
No.
Fatima, come on.
No, I don't need it.
So what is mine gonna look like? Come on, let me just pour a little bit in there.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I'll try to.
Oh my god.
To see if it will work. Hey, why? Oh my gosh, never mind. Okay.
Oh my god, Father.
Did you say, oh my god, Father?
Yes.
Okay. You okay?
Mhm.
I'm not attacking you.
Alright.
But that's a nice color. It is. What? I don't think we should post this one because it will fail.
I told you we should have got flour. Do you have flour? Yes.
What the?
Go get some.
What do we need flour and what?
To make it like non-soggy.
But flour and what?
Just flour and glue. No, just flour and glue.
What are we gonna mix the flour with?
This.
Okay.
Let's just mix mine. I'll mix yours. Go get it. They're gonna be wondering.
I'm gonna mix it.
So we're experiencing some technical difficulties. So we're just gonna go get one more ingredient.
Flour. I'm mixing yours, okay? This stuff. Sorry guys. So it was a total fail. So we're just gonna mix it with flour and different items to see if it will turn into slime. But this is what it turned into. I think I recommend you guys to use flour. To use like, if you're doing this item, use like what's that called? Tide. Because I did it with Ty before, so I thought it was going to work. We'll just stop.
Let me do it.
Okay. I'll just add some. Okay, we'll be going to, is yours working out a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit. Looks like. Stop. Come on.
Stop, Papa. It's her slime. Yeah, it's working out a little. If you guys have annoying brothers, comment. And subscribe. I think this is turning into it a little bit. So I think I should get my hands in it. You think so?
Yeah.
You think we should get our hands in it?
Yeah, just add a little bit more flour. Stop.
How? Just push it a little bit more. Oh, that's not a little bit? What you call that then? A lot. I think I need a... Okay, so I'll just start mixing it. It feels weird.
It does, though. Oh, shoot.
Oh, shoot.
Shoot. I need more flour.
Get some.
I need more flour. I can't get some. Come on.
Why would you put both of your hands in it?
You're spilling it all over.
Oh
You're
my
spilling
God.
it. Come on, more. Thank you. Oh, shoot. I need to go to the bathroom.
This is how it looks.
I need to go to the bathroom. Papa, can you open the door, please?
Oh my gosh, this was a
Wait, can you
total
open the
flip.
door for me, please?
Okay, guys, so
Wait, no, don't end it. Wait, can somebody open the door? No, you can't open the door.
yes, I can.
Turn on the light.
I'll just bring the camera door.
No, don't bring the camera. Wait. Open the door, come on. Oh, shit.
No, we could put DIY slime on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
And then use your 20 questions to get to a nose tag. Get to nose tag.
Yeah.
Where you ask us questions and we like, come on. Well, can I wash my hands? I have way more than you.
Mine is more severe. I need some paper towel. So, when we post this, you guys gotta access questions, or we'll do a Q&A. But before you know that it's ready, use more flour. So this is definitely
An epic fail.
yes, and a slime gone wrong.
Oh.
Next time we should look at the ingredients like I said we should. But no,
But
no,
you know,
no,
my
no.
dad is doing a live broadcast.
Oh.
From Africa. You can't be yelling like that. Throwing it everywhere. Okay. So, we're just gonna clean this up real quick.
I think it could still work.
I don't. And get your hands dirty again, Regina.
Mm.
And then get your hands dirty again. Why would you get your hands in it? Why? Why would you get your hands in it? Go wash your hands and you're dripping it everywhere. Huh? What? Get out of here. Yeah. Oh, Auntie Kaja Twitter wanted to talk to you. What do you? Me and Regina just made. Oh my gosh. We tried to make slime and it didn't work out right. Daddy doing his video, so we just clean it up now.
I think it could work.
Yeah. Huh? You mix it out. Okay. My mom said she's coming soon.
Why?
Cause she's sick.
Oh wow, you don't want her to come here?
I just asking.
Cause she's our mom. She lives here.
I think it's a little bit.
I think it needs to be dried out with flour.
You think? Oh, you think while we're doing other videos we can just leave it out for it to be dry?
Yeah.
Like soak it with flour. Soak it with flour. Don't mix. Just soak it with flour.
It has to be soaked.
Huh?
It has to be soaked.
It is soaked.
It has to be more. See
Okay.
how it's getting dried?
So what? I think there's a
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Look at your clothes.
Beat it. Beat it. Beat it like you said.
Beat it.
Beat it
Just
like
beat it. Just beat it.
What did we just do?
How does it feel?
Feels like slime.
Oh my gosh!
It feels better than what we did before. Let me see.
This is such
Let
a
me see.
fail.
Give me some flour.
Huh?
Give me
Flour?
some flour.
Yeah, you can't just be dragging it like that. It's smelling, boy. Come on. Wow.
No, in my hand. In my hand.
So let me just show you what she
Flour in my hand.
Okay. Hannah.
I'm just gonna mix this part.
This totally did not work out right.
It didn't though. This
Yo, it's not for you. It's not slime no more.
It's just like
So who's gonna wash the dishes?
not it.
not it.
You don't know how to wash the dishes.
Yes, I do.
Okay, guys. So I'm just going to start cleaning up. My thing is, don't use this, and don't try this at home. Try it at a friend's house.
Oh.